Hi everybody and welcome back to Brody's Chess on YouTube. Today we are going to do a checkmate video with the bishop and queen combo.
So I'm going to be white, Brody is black, and he's confident that he can get me into a pretty quick checkmate using just his queen and bishop. So let's see how this plays out. So I'm going to take the pawn that's in front of my king and I'm going to move it up 2 spaces.
I'm going to do the same thing with my pawn in front of my king and move it up 2.
Then I'm going to take the pawn that's in front of my bishop here and move it up 1.
Now I'm going to move my queen all the way as far as it goes to check.
So he's put me in check, which means I have to move. I'm gonna move up my king a space.
I'm gonna move my bishop where the pawn is, matched up on the same line.
Okay. I'm now gonna move the pawn that's in front of my queen up 1.
Now I'm gonna checkmate her by moving my queen 2 spaces.
So as you can see, that was a super fast checkmate using the team of the bishop and the queen. My king has nowhere to go because if I try to take the queen with my king, the bishop is in the line of fire and we'll just once again get my king. Okay, so Brody, how did you come up with that checkmate?
I don't know. I just thought about the bishop lining up at that square, and I knew that was lining up to the square beside it, and I knew I could do something with my queen.
So is it a good tactic to use 2 different pieces and, make them a team to get a checkmate?
Yeah.
Do you know how to do that with any other combination of pieces?
I like to do the queen and knight.
Okay.
Or sometimes the rooks.
So maybe next time we'll make a video on those combinations.
Yeah.
So maybe we can create a bit of a series called Team Checkmates.
Yeah.
Would that be fun?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. So I lost to this chess kid who's only 7 years old. Okay, if you liked this video and want to see more,
don't forget to subscribe and make a like and share this video with your friends.
Have a good day.
Bye.